In previous videos we went over the mechanical and performance features of the 2022 Ford Bronco Raptor. Now let's take a look at the interior of this new off-roader. The Raptor features a familiar heritage-inspired horizontal dash, integrating an all-digital 12-inch cluster. The cluster allows drivers to select from various views, including a Bronco Raptor-exclusive Performance View that emphasizes tachometer and gear readings and allows the customization of gauges. Base Bronco Raptor models are equipped with Black Onyx marine-grade vinyl seats and rubberized washout flooring. The dark interior is accented with Ford Performance Code orange splashes on the G.O.A.T mode's rotary dial, dash vents, door netting, steering wheel stitching and Bronco logo on the instrument panel. Even the push-button ignition lights up in code orange. Touchpoints such as the grab handles, steering wheel bezel and gear shifter wear low-gloss carbon fiber accents. Owners can opt for upgraded features such as all-new laser-perforated Black Onyx Neo suede seats, vinyl-wrapped instrument panel topper, leather-wrapped outer seat bolsters, and carpet flooring. A thicker and sport-contoured steering wheel with magnesium paddle shifters and gloss black Raptor logo center continues the Ford Performance treatment. Ford Performance-designed front seats are unique to Bronco Raptor, designed with aggressive foam side bolsters to help keep passengers firmly seated when the terrain gets nasty. Available code orange seat belts provide even more Ford Performance style. Bronco Raptor comes standard with a high package that includes Sync 4 with 12-inch touchscreen with swipe capability, information on demand panel, and enhanced voice recognition. Other technology features include an exterior camera with 360-degree viewing capability. The Luxe package is available for customers looking for even more human-centered technology, such as an available 10-speaker B&O audio system and adaptive cruise control.